We're racing with the clouds today.
Okay, so I have the bill in front of me. Good afternoon, guys. I have to give my bike for servicing. It's feeling a little rough. I think I've ridden quite a bit in the rain, so just look at this. Just washed it day before yesterday. It would also be a good time to see if there is any software update. Let's get the bike warmed up and let's hit the road. Today I'm in my shorts. After I give the bike for servicing, I'm gonna go to the gym. Okay, the chain is also dry. I have to get it lubed. All this mud has become so hard, so the bike is nicely warmed up. This is going to be my 4th service. Service is supposed to be done after 15,000 kilometers. That's the KTM showroom where we are going. We'll park it here. I brought my bike to the service center, waiting for my wife to come and pick me. Is ready, so I'm just walking it up. It's actually about a 15 or 20 minute walk. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. It's 2:30 in the afternoon and the sun has come out just a little bit. Yeah, the clouds are still there. I'm waiting to get the bike. Sure, they must have done a good job. It's a good service center. I've given my bike there also in the past. Almost there. It's in that way. Hi Shweta, how are you?
Hi.
Yeah, good to see you.
Yeah. So hi Moini, and I hope to meet you.
Yes, and she's going for her Ladakh trip at the end of
This month.
this
Tomorrow. This week.
This week. Oh wow!
God.
Great. All the best for your
Thank
journey.
you, and all the best to you guys.
Thank you
as
so
well.
much, and I'll definitely be looking forward to your updates on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thanks. Nice meeting. Okay, here is the bike, all serviced. Looks good. The chain should look ideally perfect. Let's just start riding and see what it feels like after the 4th service. Right, I just picked up my bike from the servicing. Feeling really smooth now. Feels like a brand new bike. They've done a good job. Gear shifts are smooth. Good job KTM service center at Baner. Everything is feeling just plush and smooth. You need to get the bike serviced at least 2 times a year. If you just get it regularly maintained, you will have no issues with the bike. It's a KTM Duke 390. I think the service cost is not that bad. The Shell petrol pump. It's got a nice coffee shop here, and the coffee is pretty good. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. Starting to see some blue sky. 6 or 7 kilometers ahead. It's raining very heavily there. I find no mood to get drenched today, so let's just turn back and go in the opposite direction. This is good practice for Ladakh. The crater. वो कौन सी चाहिए तेरे को? Range Rover. 120 kilometers per hour in the 4th gear. double seat on an incline. My Duke is a rocket. Let's go have chai somewhere. Once you come under the cloud, it's going to start raining. It's just this patch, but it's enough to get you completely drenched. Experience talks, you know. Now the sky is clear. We've left the main highway. Now we'll be taking a left turn because we are going to stop for some chai. One issue with the Duke 390 is the ground clearance is very less. It used to be more in the previous model, but because of the BS6 changes, the ground clearance has reduced. We've entered Bowdhan area. Nice area, no? See, it's completely clear on this side. Look at the clouds on that side. We finished with our tea and now let's just go back in that direction. Nice to see someone skateboarding. It's time to wrap up this vlog. We're heading back home. It's about 5:30 in the evening. Feeling really smooth after the service. I'm happy I got it done. All in preparation for something big. Stay tuned, guys. We have to go in that direction. Hopefully the clouds don't catch up to where we are going. We're racing with the clouds today. Okay, so I have the bill in front of me. I'll quickly tell you what the breakdown of the total bill was. Put it up on the screen as well. The oil filter cost me 64 rupees. The fuel filter 89 rupees. The engine oil 10W50. The bike needed 1.7 liters of it. So that was the biggest expense, 1218 rupees. Change the air filter 218 rupees. The labor was 900 rupees because this is the fourth service and now it's the paid service. And taxes another 450 rupees. So yeah, altogether 2950 rupees. I think it's pretty reasonable considering you're getting the Duke 390 service. I've done about 12,700 kilometers. So now the next service is going to be after another 5,000-6,000 kilometers. If you get your bike serviced 2 or 3 times a year, your bike will be in very good shape. I'm going to make a detailed video about the maintenance cost of the Duke 390, not just the service, the running cost of the Duke. Consumables, tires, brake pads, all of that, insurance also. So stay tuned for that video. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please consider hitting the like button. It takes effort to make all these videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.